Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? My name is Beth Carrera, the crazy cat lady. I just hope everyone's having a great day. And I got the next October's Medusa box. So I'm gonna see if there's anything I'm hoping good in this box this time. I have 2 more boxes coming and that's it. So I'm gonna see if hopefully we get some different stuff in here. I only had this subscription for 6 months, so I have 2 more, but I think I'm gonna cancel it because this hasn't been the type of box I thought it was gonna be. It's pretty much almost the same stuff every month, but different colors. And I really, really, really love having a box that's a lot of different things. So with that said, let's open this up. Right. So with that said, let's open this box up and see what is inside. Ooh, it is October themed and it has a print with a skeleton. Really cute, and it has black paper for the Halloween season. So let's see what's in here. We have only, oh, how cute. It's gonna be hard to see, but look, it has little tiny, this is the presentation. But look at inside, has little tiny confetti of spiders. That is a cute, I love that. So let's see what this is. Vitamin C facial toner, citrus lemon. So it's vitamin. Very fresh. It's a facial toner. You spritz it on and it's part of your beauty regimen. Very, very cute. Really like that. Ooh, what's this? This is an eyeshadow. So let's see what color this is. The eyeshadows they give you in this box, I have to say, are really nice. Ooh, it's different. Let's see what this is. And I have a spider on it. Ooh, this is really, really different. It's kind of in between blackish, goldish. Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's like a black but gold glitter in it. Oh, I love this. Now I have to say, this is really nice. So let me do a swipe. Get a little good one. Ooh. That one's really nice. I really, really like that. Let me get a paper towel. I really like that one, I have to say. Let's see. I keep getting these little spiders everywhere. Lipstick, and I love the spooky carton. Love that. Chica is the name of it. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, love. It's like a black, burgundy black. Now, oh yeah. Now this I'm gonna wear at work on Halloween for my part of my zombie girl outfit. I love this. Let me see how it looks. Now that's creamy. So far so good with this box. I really do love it. Ooh, yeah. Mmm. I really love this. I think I'm even going to wear it tomorrow at work. Mmm. Now, I never used to go for dark colors in anything, really. But I don't know. It seems like as I get older, I'm loving the dark colors. It's weird. But I'm loving this. This box so far, I like it. And this is mascara. Oh, look at how cute. And it has a witch on it. Oh, loving this. Let's see. Babe Gallow Night. And of course it is a black, which I love. Really liking this. Let's see how it looks, because I don't have any makeup on at all. Let's see how this is applied. I'll just use my phone. It's okay. I'm really loving this lipstick. Definitely digging the lipstick. Yeah, it works really good because you could tell the difference between each eye. This has nothing, this has something. Plus, it's hard to do it with this. It's a camera. There's a mirror. Because I can't really see too good. Oh, I love this. This is very, very, very nice. And I love the presentation on it. So far, I'm digging this Halloween box. And it is so cute. And that's it. That's all she wrote. And I love these little spiders that are in here. So I'm really, really loving this box. So let's, I don't know if they have any, see, they don't have, oh yeah, they do. So this lipstick is normally $12. This is normally $10. The toner is $12. And, oh, they don't, oh, $9 for the eyeshadow. So that's about almost 40 bucks. So we're about 40 bucks. But so far, this is the recap that we got. We got this cool lipstick, which I have on. Loving it. I have the toner, the awesome eyeshadow. Eye mascara, hello. And this awesome eyeshadow called Rocket. Vegan, this is all vegan, cruelty free. I will put the link down below to if you want to get your box. But so far, I think out of all the boxes, this is my favorite. And like these are really made for the younger crowd, I think, but I really do love the dark color. But I love this dark glittery because I will definitely use this tomorrow because it's Halloween week. I gotta look Halloweeny. So I definitely dig this. But I will put the link down below if you want to get yours. And thank you all for being here and supporting my channel and for just being you. That's all that matters. Just be yourself. And that's how my motto is all the time. Just be yourself. You know, don't be someone else. So I love you all and have an awesome, awesome, awesome day. And if you are new, welcome to the Crazy Cat family. And if you're been around for a while, thank you for being here, and subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification button for future uploads, and definitely put a like on this video, and it's free. I don't get many likes. I would like, you know, some likes on my videos, and definitely I'll see you on the next one. Love you.